Hello, I'm Michael Heath, author of The Courtless Divorce. You're probably here because you're either considering a divorce or you know someone who is. Before you do anything, please hear my story. In 2002, when my marriage was failing, I went out and hired an attorney. My wife, she did the same thing. Once papers were filed, our attorneys told us to cease communication between us. We were told that everything was to go through the attorneys. We had essentially turned over all decision-making to people we hardly knew. 2.5 years and $100,000 later, the war raged on. Not only was it hard on my wife and I, but the emotional toll on my children was terrible. Over and over, I kept on asking myself the same thing. Why did it have to take so long, and why did there have to be so much animosity? Years later, I learned that it doesn't. There is a better way. In traditional divorce, the attorneys prepare for litigation, and the couples and their attorneys head to divorce court. It's confrontational. It's adversarial. It's essentially two sides fighting it out. In mediation and collaborative law, there's a spirit of working things out. Using a third-party mediator or representation with using collaborative lawyers, the couple can then make their own decisions. And when there's an impasse, arbitration can be used to settle an issue. Now you might be saying to yourself that in your case, working things out is impossible. Well, chances are good that that's not true. First of all, couples use mediation and collaborative law all the time to successfully end their marriage. And you might be resistant only because you're unaware of solution-based negotiation. Get a copy of my book, The Courtless Divorce. Find out what your options are. Give a copy to your spouse. You do not have to lose everything that you've worked for or walk around for years with anger just because you're getting a divorce. Learn now what I wish I knew then.